Welcome to the channel, Networking Point. I will discuss some of the basic networking tools in this Part 1 video. Let's begin. A network rack is a metal frame chassis that holds, stacks, organizes, secures, and protects various computer network and server hardware devices. The term network refers to the rack being used to store network hardware like routers, switches, access points, and a modem. Networking cables are networking hardware used to connect one network device to other network devices, or to connect two or more computers to share printers, scanners, etc. Different types of network cables, such as coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, and twisted pair cables, are used depending on the network's physical layer, topology, and size. The devices can be separated by a few meters via Ethernet. The simple manual wire stripper is a pair of opposing blades much like scissors or wire cutters. The addition of a center notch makes it easier to cut the insulation without cutting the wire. This type of wire stripper is used by rotating it around the insulation while applying pressure in order to make a cut around the insulation. Since the insulation is not bonded to the wire, it then pulls easily off the end. This type of wire stripper can be used on wires of any size. This allows the user to match the notch size to the wire size, thereby eliminating the need for twisting. Once the device is clamped on, the remainder of the wire can simply be pulled out, leaving the insulation behind. To use this crimping tool, each wire is first placed into the connector. Then, the connector with wires are placed into the crimping tool, and the handles are squeezed together. Crimping punctures the plastic connector and holds each of the wires, allowing data to transmit through the connector. The punch-down tool, also called a chrome tool, is a hand tool used to connect telecommunications and network wires to a patch panel, punch-down block, keystone module, or surface mount box. The punch-down part of the name comes from punching a wire into place using an impact action. It consists of a handle, a spring mechanism, and a removable slotted blade. When the punch-down tool connects a wire, the blade cuts off the excess wire. Generally, a basic cable tester is a battery-operated portable instrument with a source of electric current, one or more voltage indicators, and possibly a switching or scanning arrangement to check each of several conductors sequentially. A cable tester may also have a microcontroller and a display to automate the testing process and show the testing results, especially for multiple conductor cables. A cable tester may be connected to both ends of the cable at once, or the indication and current source portions may be separated to allow injection of a test current at one end of the cable and detection of the results at the distant end. Both portions of such a tester will have connectors compatible with the application. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for watching Part 2 networking informative videos. Goodbye, see you next time.